friendly with the cherry cheeks.
Here's a look at the video originally posted to Instagram. It has been confirmed that this is a Baltimore police sergeant coughing as he walks through a Baltimore City neighborhood.
Dogs trying to borrow.
Will West Whiting coughing on a 71-year-old civilian police employee.
Sorry, I've been tested positive for that coronavirus. Oh, yeah. Yes, I have.
The declaration he had COVID-19 sent Coffs Harbour Police Station into lockdown.
Oh, because I told him I got the coronavirus.
But officers soon discovered it was a sick prank.
Do you honestly think that that's funny?
Oh, it's a little bit of a laugh.
Silly, oh, it's a little bit of a laugh in this climate.
Police so incensed they charged the 21-year-old with intimidation and hindering police.
The wild scene erupted just before noon Saturday in front of shocked shoppers. This cell phone video showing 2 or 3 men subduing another man. Kingston police were told a 65-year-old man from Duxbury was coughing and spitting and became confrontational with staff and witnesses.
She was just upset that people were telling her that she had to play by new rules.
This is the unruly customer employees at St. James Gate Restaurant and Pub hope to identify. Bartender Misha Murata says a disturbing incident happened recently on the same day they got the okay to start serving indoors. Masks and social distancing required.
This lady kept on hugging people at the bar and not wearing a mask.
Misha's co-worker behind the bar asked the woman to comply.
Miss, please put your mask on.
Watch as surveillance cameras captured what happened next. The woman leans in and appears to cough directly in the face of the bartender, who steps back in shock and disbelief.
6, we have an update on a story about a woman accused of intentionally coughing on a 1-year-old boy at a Yogurtland in San Jose. This is new video of the incident just released by the San Jose Police Department. So look at the right side of your screen. The woman seems to point to the ground, then approaches a mom standing with her son in a stroller nearby. Watch as the woman just pulls down her mask, and then she coughs 2 to 3 times in the baby's direction. Police say the woman was upset, believing the mom wasn't maintaining proper social distancing.
Do you know where they got the rest of those Gatorades? They said I got corona. What am I supposed to get? Can you help me out?
I don't know.
Could you pray for me? Can we hold hands? They said I got corona. You'll get it if you touch me. It's contagious. Okay, but listen. No, but listen. It's just like, I don't know. It's not that bad. No. No, listen. I got corona, but listen. I don't think you can get it that fast. Can we just pray for me, please?
I'll do that, but you got.
Yeah, can you hold my hand while we pray?
No, we ain't.
Why not?
You just got this thing.
No, listen. You lived a good life. How old are you?
29.
You ain't 29. You been here for a minute. You good. You lived your life. You got to see everything.
Yeah, that's right, man.
Yeah. All right, man. Okay. Watch this. Excuse me. Hey, yo. Hey. Tell myself what's. You know,
Excuse me.
No, they said I got corona. What are you supposed to get?
Oh, corona. I don't know. You bet. Pharmacy is closed, so.
I don't know. What's the best thing to get if you can help me out?
I'm not for sure, sir. I guess just something thing up there.
What is it? What is that?
These Tylenols here.
Is y'all if you say a prayer with me if y'all can? If y'all. Nobody want to say a prayer. Turn around.
Do you really need this? What do you want to do? Post it for you? How about that? Good. I think I'll get real close to you and cough on you then. How's that?
Oh,
asshole.
Wow. No way.
Let's go.
Stay down, stay down, stay down. Stay down. You're gonna be next. Stay down, please. Help me, I'm trying to stop. Help. Help, come on. Stop, bye. Stay down, stay down, stay down. Stay down.
Officers here saying even if a person is not sick, they're going to take actions like this seriously.
It's this threat of we're spreading this highly contagious virus.
Ponca City officers stunned by an act many would consider unthinkable. A woman purposely coughing and sneezing in retaliation for social distancing efforts. Police were called to Cecilia Flores's home while she was allegedly drunk.
There was an intoxicated female that was trying to get in a vehicle and leave.
After that issue was resolved, officers went to leave and Flores tried to shake their hand.
Okay. I appreciate you, sir.
I'm not shaking your hand.
Well, you ain't got to.
When he tried to explain, she interrupted him.
I don't know if you're aware, but there's this coronavirus going around. You got to be kidding me.
I got it. What's up?
The officers momentarily rendered speechless.
So do you actually have a positive diagnosis of COVID-19?
No, I haven't, sir.
Do you believe you have it? That's what you told him earlier.
No, I don't.
But after conferring with supervisors, they arrested Flores. She was charged with terroristic hoax.
She won't even show me a screen.
This bitch is going crazy. Look. Look at her.
I'm trying to see what I purchased. You guys are so dumb. Walmart? You guys like working for Walmart? Let's call 911.
Call 911.
This is how you do it. 911 when you want to get through the line.
Or you leave.
Or you go to some other line.
Or you
How
leave.
old are you, woman?
Or you just go to another store.
Yes, move her out the way, please. We got kids and babies over here. Move. Wow.
She's coughing on him.
Wow.
She's spitting on him. Now calling the police.
Oh, she's spitting. I got it all on camera.
Yes, I paid for it.
No, you did not. I canceled out your transaction, ma'am. Please exit.
Give me a receipt.
Do you not need a receipt?
I will pay here under your rent.
Got it?
I'm going to ask you to shut the fuck up and get the fuck away from me before I slice your neck when I spit again. Do you even see where it landed?
I'm getting it all.
It landed right there. It says, did you just do this in the bathroom, manager?
Hi, this is Dwight Rico Walmart.
Don't be a bitch.
And grab me with my...
Okay, you got
Assistant manager, please.
Thank you. I'm just trying to get you out.
Dwight Rico Walmart. Off the property. I have called PD. They are on their way. She spit on me, which
I
is
coughed.
actions
You
of
can see
assault.
how easy it is to get the phlegm out? It's a lesson.
I have it on video. So.
It's called get your phlegm out because that's where you're getting the fat out. And the fat holds the toxins You think I'm just having fun being a stupid blonde?
Would you like to go?
Yeah, I just decided that I just wanted to be born to be a stupid blonde. Yeah, like I am the only fucking blonde here. Who are you with your face all like, your head would be rolling in the aisles. Do it, do it. No, I wouldn't. My husband knows a lot more than yours does. And look, you can't even take your carpet out very well.
Please speak to us.
That means she's doing fine. You guys are so dumb. Oh my God. Do I have to do another lesson? What? Oh.
Morning, a Santa Fe man is facing assault charges after police say that he intentionally coughed on people inside a store. The New Mexican reports that 40-year-old Edward Babcock is accused of sparking panic inside a Big Lots store last week. The victim, a woman, and her 10-year-old daughter say that they were worried because of the pandemic. Babcock was eventually arrested and charged with assault.
Looking around the nation, a New York man was confronted by the FBI for hoarding and selling medical supplies, and instead of complying with the agents, he coughed on them and told them he had the coronavirus. Police say Baruch Feldheim was selling personal protective equipment to doctors and nurses for a huge profit. When the FBI confronted him, they say he lied about the whole thing. That alone was enough to arrest him, but coughing on the agents right now is considered assault. He could end up facing hundreds of thousands of dollars in fines, plus years in prison.